Hi friends, in this video I will show you two methods to set widgets on Android. So let's start the video without wasting any time. In first method, I will set widgets without any application. So tap on empty space on mobile screen. Now different options will appear at the bottom of mobile screen. Here you will see a option of widgets. Tap on it. Now you will see different widgets. Select any widget, tap and hold on any widget and go back. Now selected widget will be added to your screen. You can increase or decrease the size of the widget. In second method, I will show you how to add colored widgets on your mobile screen. First of all, open Play Store application on your Android device and install an application named Colored iOS Widgets. Open it. Here you will see different colored widgets. You can select any one of them and you can also select by the name. As on the top you can see that there are different names: all, life, clock, weather. You can add any widget to your home screen and select any widget. Now tap and hold on any widget and tap on add widget. Now confirm to add widget. Now go back. You can see that selected widget has been added to mobile screen. Now tap and hold on widget. You can increase or decrease the size of the widget, and you can also adjust this widget to home screen also. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.